Hey y'all, we've all been there. Life is full of little accidents, and sometimes those accidents leave behind stains. A spill on the couch, a drop on the carpet, or a splash on our favorite shirt. It happens to the best of us, and it always seems to happen at the worst possible time. Stains are a part of life. They can be annoying, but they don't have to ruin your day or your favorite things. But don't worry, I'm here to help. With a little know-how, you can tackle any stain that comes your way. Those stubborn stains can be frustrating. They seem to cling on for dear life, no matter how hard you scrub. But with a few simple tricks, you can tackle them like a pro. It's all about using the right techniques and products. I'm excited to share some of my favorite stain removal hacks. These tips have saved me countless times. These methods use common household products. You don't need anything fancy or expensive. You know, the stuff you already have under your sink. It's amazing how versatile these items can be. It's amazing what a little baking soda and vinegar can do. These two ingredients are like magic when it comes to cleaning. So, whether it's coffee, red wine, or something the kids tracked in, don't panic. Let's get cleaning. Together, we'll make those stains disappear in no time. First things first, time is of the essence, folks. The faster you treat a stain, the easier it will be to remove. Don't let the stain set in. Grab a clean cloth or sponge. Blot the area gently to absorb any excess liquid. Avoid rubbing the stain. That can actually spread it around and make it worse. Once you've blotted up as much as you can, it's time to move on to the cleaning methods. Couches are meant for relaxing, but spills happen. Whether it's a glass of wine, a cup of coffee, or even a snack, accidents are bound to occur. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some easy and effective solutions. For fabric couches, baking soda is your best friend. It's a versatile and natural cleaner that can tackle a variety of stains and odors. Make a paste with baking soda and a little water. This paste is simple to make and highly effective. Apply it to the stain and let it sit for about 15 to 20 minutes. This allows the baking soda to work its magic by breaking down the stain. Baking soda is great for absorbing odors too. It not only cleans, but also leaves your couch smelling fresh. After it dries, vacuum up the baking soda. This will remove the residue and any absorbed stains or odors. For tougher stains, you can mix equal parts water and white vinegar. This solution is particularly effective for more stubborn spots. Spray it on and blot with a clean cloth. Be sure to blot gently to avoid pushing the stain deeper into the fabric. For leather couches, a mild soap and water solution usually does the trick. Leather requires a bit more care, but it's still manageable. Just remember to dry the area thoroughly to prevent watermarks. Proper drying ensures your leather stays in good condition. Conquering carpet catastrophes. Carpets can really take a beating, but don't despair. For fresh spills, club soda is surprisingly effective. Pour some club soda onto the stain and blot gently. The carbonation helps to lift the stain from the fibers. Another trick is to use a mixture of dish soap and hydrogen peroxide. Test this on an inconspicuous area first to make sure it doesn't affect the color of your carpet. Apply the mixture to the stain and let it sit for a few minutes. Then blot with a clean cloth and rinse with water. Clothing care and cleaning. Taking care of your clothes properly can extend their life and keep them looking fresh and new. Let's dive into some essential tips and tricks for maintaining your wardrobe. Stains on clothes are a laundry day dilemma. Whether it's coffee, wine, or even a splash of sauce, stains can be a real headache. But don't worry, we've got you covered. But pre-treating is key to success. The sooner you address the stain, the better your chances of removing it completely. Always have a good stain remover on hand. For most stains, a stain remover spray or gel works wonders. These products are designed to break down the stain molecules, making them easier to wash out. Apply the pre-treater to the stain and let it sit for a few minutes before tossing it in the wash. This waiting period allows the product to penetrate the fabric and lift the stain. For greasy stains, dish soap is your secret weapon. Grease can be particularly stubborn, but dish soap is formulated to cut through it effectively. Rub a little dish soap onto the stain and let it sit for a few minutes before washing. This method works well for food stains, oil, and other greasy marks. Remember to always check the care label on your clothes before using any cleaning products. These labels provide important information on how to properly care for your garments. And there you have it. With a little knowledge and the right products, you can tackle any stain and keep your clothes looking great. Remember, the key to stain removal is to act quickly, use the right cleaning agents, and always test in an inconspicuous area first. This ensures that the product won't damage the fabric. With these simple tips and tricks, you can keep your home and clothes looking their best. Happy cleaning, y'all! Keep your wardrobe fresh and fabulous with these easy steps.